was really mean.
I exploded.
I just bumped myself. Nope, not at all.
Who keeps exploding out? Kill them. I just flew off because I was going so fast.
Did you understand how gross this is?
I was last. Let's play a different game.
Never mind.
Because I was last. Did you explode me? Stupid computer.
Which one?
Um,
Okay, hockey or like laser storm type thing?
laser storm.
Not really sure how to play this either. Just stated. Because I've played it in like 6 years. I have problems. I can't sit still. I don't know how to shoot.
I don't know how to shoot.
You just hit the string. Ah, I don't know how to turn. Oh yeah, I found that out. It's hardly everyone shooting at me. That doesn't seem very fair. Rude people. I won.
For a second. Yeah, beat the robots.
What color were you?
Blue.
That game, hockey, or
It's hard to turn hockey. Hard to like turn around and
yeah.
that game. You have to like multitask 6 ways.
Oh. My partner probably hates me, even though they're not real, because you know I kind of suck. But it doesn't want to work.
I'm not even doing anything, so I'll have.
Watching the thing if that counts.
My partner's really small.
So maybe you should help it out. Oh my gosh, I'm really big. You only got a goal because I'm dumb and huge. You can't really do anything.
Wish I was big. Oh my gosh, they got even smaller. My partner's beast, little and still making doing better than me.
Alright, just my future.
Dude, let me get. Freaking hate you. Go away.
I just blocked him from getting it on your side. My bad.
I'm bigger. Freaking huge.
I'm 10 times bigger though, so it's cool. I'm
Your
not my partner.
partner's small.
That's not cool because he's better than me.
You too. Oh my gosh, look how big I am. How did I get this big?
Because the things in the corners make it do stuff. Well, if I were huge and they're really small. I was making sparks. My partner just tried to help me do it. We're having difficulties. I'm too big and it's too small.
That's weird. That sounds weird.
Oh my. Like I thought your thing was a book. You were over partner.
The thing was too big and the other thing was too small.
Oh my.
Dude, watch him kill you.
A little thing, do it. What's it? Do you only have 1 point and then I have 0? I just freaking... You only have 2 points because of me. Are you the bigger one?
Mm-hmm.
What about you? Yeah. What's that deal?
My partner hates me.
My probably hates me too, so it's cool. My partner's littler than you. I mean, not you, than you, than your partner.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so freaking dumb. This thing has to hate me.
My partner's super small. Ooh, bigger now, partner. Ah.
Oh my, that sounds so appropriate. Especially since partner can be like the person you're with, you know?
Yeah.
This is it, you shouldn't be proud of that.
No, there's no reason. It's just
Oh, woo.
cool one. Dude, I can't be small.
You guys can't get it.
Dude, I quit because I'm small. Dude, partner, you can't be bigger than me.
That's so freaking weird. Stop humping the freaking
My
thing.
partner won't let me get it.
It's okay.
Move out of the way so I can get it. Now it's pushing me into it. Just stop. Fine, you get it.
I'm trying.
Let it fly out, you dumb butt.
I'm seriously trying to understand how funny it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Don't touch it, my partner. I want to touch it.
Ew.
I want to see you too. Yeah, partner, get the point back.
Psh. Do you see that? He's skilled.
So my partner. Yeah, buddy.
Did you make that or did your partner make it?
Me all the time. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Every time I back pretty drop it. It's another game.
Oh, you can only play those three.
I'm gonna play the racing one again.
Okay.